I'm going to demo for you today the Cisco Unified Messaging plugin for IBM Sametime. You can see the plugin currently listed right over here in the Notes side shelf. The plugin functions both with Sametime Connect, the standalone client, as well as the integrated Sametime client within Lotus Notes, which is what I'm using today. This is a free plugin available from Cisco, and it gives users a great set of features for managing their voicemail directly from the plugin. You can see here a listing of all the voicemails that I currently have. This is the voicemail that's actually on the Cisco Unity or Unity Connection server. You can see that the plugin actually uses an IMAP connection back to that server so that it displays the actual voicemails that are stored there. And as they're either removed from the server, if I call into the voicemail server and listen to it or delete a voicemail, those are automatically going to be updated here in the plugin as well. So the plugin and what's on the server is kept in sync on a constant basis. Now, as I have new voicemail come in, you can see that they're actually listed in bold here in the plugin, and it has a closed folder icon. If I'm not actually in Sametime or in the Notes client, I also get a notification down here on the taskbar, which is going to show me that I have new voicemail awaiting as well. Now, just to show that this is actually in sync again, since I do have an unlistened to voicemail, let me just bring up my soft phone here, and you can see that the message waiting indicator is also being displayed on the phone. This would similarly be the case with my desk phone. So if I want to listen to a voicemail that I've received, I just double click on that voicemail, and it's going to actually open up a native player here that I can listen to that voicemail directly from that player on my PC. Now I can rewind that voicemail. I can use the various buttons up here to play or fast forward or rewind. I can adjust the audio, and I can also delete the voicemail. So let me go ahead and click delete that voicemail. And now that voicemail is now gone off of the plugin. Let me just bring up the phone here. And you can see, yep, the message waiting indicator light is no longer displayed. And again, similarly, that would be the case with the desk phone. Now coming back here to my voicemail, that's actually a soft delete that has occurred. So if I mistakenly deleted that voicemail, I can list my deleted voicemail here. I can select that voicemail that I accidentally deleted, and I can go ahead and mark that voicemail as unheard, and I can undelete that voicemail. So now if I switch back to my inbox here, I can see that that voicemail is once again listed here as unheard and available. And if I again check my listing here in the soft phone, I can see that the message waiting light is back on. Now, once I've listened to that voicemail, here, let me just mark that voicemail as heard. If I need to send that voicemail on to another user so that they can take action on that voicemail, it's very easy for me to attach that to an email. So I just right click on the voicemail and I'm going to choose forward voicemail as an email attachment. And so here you can see that it actually attaches the voicemail now as a WAV file. I can now email this out to another user and they can play back that WAV file through a native player on their PC and take action on what it is that I've asked them to do. Discard that and I'll come back here. One other very nice feature about the plugin here is that if you're using this plugin in conjunction with the phone control and presence plugin from Cisco, another free plugin that is available, you can actually respond to these voicemails and initiate a click to call back to those users. Right, most of the time you get a voicemail and it's actually, hi, this is Andy, can you please call me back? Well, the plugin makes it very easy to do. I'm going to just right click on the user's name and choose phone call. It's going to pull those phone numbers available from that user in the LDAP directory. I'm going to select that number and it's going to place that call outbound to the user. So I'm now actually making a call to that user. In this case, I'm using my actual desk phone to make that call. So I'll stop that. If it's a user that is not a recognized user, and then it's just going to give me that phone number, and I can choose phone call and initiate that call back. Again, saving your end users time as they don't have to replay that number over and over to try and say, what was that number that they said in the voicemail message? The system requirements for the plugin, you need to have at least Sametime version 7.5.1, CF1 or later. And as I said, it obviously works within the Lotus Notes integrated client for Sametime as well as I'm demonstrating here. It will work with either the Cisco Unity voicemail platform or the Cisco Unity connection platform, as well as a number of various client desktop platforms. I hope this has been a helpful demo for you. Enjoy.